Hey y'all, it's your girl TNT. So I got some new makeup. I actually got this a while ago and it's all just been sitting here in this bag because A, I haven't been wearing makeup that often, and B, I wanted to share with y'all what I got before I actually opened it. I wanted to share with y'all what I got before I actually opened it. Actually, I take that back because I got these lashes and I did use a pair of them already, but let's just go through what I got because I'm gonna use all of this today. So first, the main thing is I needed some new foundation because if y'all watched my other videos, you know the Fenty Beauty foundation I have is a little bit too light for my skin. So I went ahead and finally got matched to my true color. Like, I went to somebody who knew what they were doing. So shout out to homie at Ulta, I forgot his name. But this is actually a new brand called Hello Happy. It's by Benefit. But it's not a new brand, but a new line of foundation, I guess. But I'm the color 11, so this like really matches my skin so well. And a little bit about this foundation. So it says happiness is a brighter, hydrated, flawless looking complexion. And then it says something about photochromic pigments instantly adapt to brighten skin in any lighting. Flower acids help boost radiance, and hyaluronic acid, I don't know how to pronounce it, helps keep skin hydrated. So, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to do that because I gotta refocus my camera. But actually no, let me just go ahead and show y'all what this looks like. So this is what it looks like. And then as you can see, shade 11, and then this is what I was reading. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yes. So I'm gonna be trying this foundation today. He did like a full face for me when I went to Ulta and I really liked it. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and so I got a mini size. I think it was, how much was it? I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $15 or $20. Oh, it has an expiration date on it. I didn't know that foundation had an expiration date. Should I have known that? Okay, and then I also went ahead to that clearance section, that sale, and I got this because I needed some more brushes. So I really like this because A, it has a brush case, like that's what's up. And then I don't know why it was on sale. I think maybe somebody might have stolen a brush out of it or something, I don't know. But I got this for like $12 and I think it was like originally over $25. So I have, these are some nice brushes. They're Ulta Beauty brushes. So what is this, like a packing brush? And I think this is like a foundation brush. And they have like some weight to it. These are good quality. I'm happy that they were on sale, like, cause I never really buy expensive brushes. I always buy brushes from Ross. So these are some nice brushes. Yes, I'm excited. So I'm gonna be using this brush for the foundation today. And then I also went ahead and got another beauty blender because I needed a new beauty blender. I know, how often, let me know, how often do y'all clean like your beauty blenders and your makeup brushes and all of that? Because since I normally buy cheap ones, I will usually just throw them out or stop using them before I clean them. So let me know how often I should be doing that so I can get that in my routine. And then the last two things I got, so I needed some more lash glue. When I tell y'all this dual lash glue is the truth, like this always keeps my lashes A1, and it's black, so you can like put them on and don't have to worry about them drying a weird color or anything like that. And then I also got some moisturizing lotion for the body and the face. It's called Cetaphil, and I heard some good stuff about this and because y'all see that I actually got my nose pierced. Like, this is a real piercing. I'm gonna post a vlog of that soon. But all the piercing I've been wearing like the past 3 years was like a little fake hoop. but this one is real. So yeah, so I heard that this is good to use when you have like piercings and stuff, so it doesn't irritate it and all of that. So let me stop talking, go ahead and play on some music, and let me get into this foundation. Wow, this foundation really is the truth. Like when I tell you it went on like butter, like I don't know if it's a combination of the new foundation and the new brush, but this just spreads so beautifully, like blended so beautifully, like I'm really shook. Oh, I'm so here for this. Whew, wow. Something special. Hello Happy, like Benefit. I like this. Benefit did that. Another thing that's really cute about this beauty blender is it actually has a stand that comes with it. So I was like, that's really why I bought this specific one. And this one was on sale. I don't remember how much I got it for. I think it was like $5. This is so cute. Look. Super blender, the Ulta Super Blender. So I normally would do my eyeshadow before I put like my foundation and concealer on. Well, no, I put concealer on, then eyeshadow, then I do my foundation. But the reason I'm going out of the order I normally do is because I wanted to, you know, show you all this new foundation I got. But now I'm gonna just do my eyes really quick.